Welcome to the Cerulean homepage. Here you will find information about the company, the solutions and services we offer, and the latest updates about our activities. You can navigate the site using the tabs at the bottom of the page or from the top. They will take you to the same pages. We will use the top tabs. It is quick and easy to find key information such as our contact details. Our contact page shows the locations of our main sites and provides address and telephone details for each. Did you know you can connect with Cerulean on LinkedIn and YouTube? Look for the media icons for each to be taken directly to our profiles. To find out more about our company and its history, go to About Us. You can hover over the tab to see the options. Here you will find information about our history, who we are and what we do. When you go to our Services tab, you will see there are several areas to choose from. You're able to navigate to any of these sections by clicking on them. Alternatively, these options are also displayed on each of the services pages and will take you to the same sections. The page of the services section you're on will be highlighted in red. Currently, we are looking at production support services. You're able to return to the Cerulean homepage at any time by clicking on the logo in the left corner of the page. To explore our solutions, click on the tab at the top. You will see you're able to filter our products by technology or by industry. For demonstration, we're going to filter by industry. You will then be presented with some options. Choose the category which best matches the area you're interested in. We then see solutions which match our requirements. For further information on any of our products, click on Discover More. This will take you to the product page where you'll be able to download the datasheet, view any media uploaded about the machine, and find more detailed information. We will now return to the home page and look at the search functionality. If you want to know more about a specific product, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to search it. Enter the name of the product you're looking for. Press Enter on your keyboard or click on the magnifying glass. This will present you with results relating to the product you searched. In our example, you can see the news item appear in the results, as well as the product page you are looking for. Cerulean is often updating the website with exciting news. To find out what we're working on, click the News tab at the top of the screen. This will show you our news entries, with the most recent appearing at the top. Would you like to meet us in person? Find out where we will be and when by clicking the Exhibitions tab. This shows details about events we are participating in. Remember, you're also able to see our most recent news and exhibition entry on the main homepage of the website.